In today's energy markets, let's take a look at natural gas futures today as they're realizing a third consecutive day of upward momentum. And today, significant upward momentum, up just under 4% currently, retaking the $3 handle. And with today's price action, we're seeing them up 3 out of the last 4 days and challenging the November highs. We're currently right around 3.245. We did see a high of 3.316, which is just off the November highs. And looking at some of the reasons, I think, why we're seeing this continued momentum to the upside, certainly the infrastructure challenges, I think, in Oklahoma are probably one of the primary reasons. The weather patterns down there have had a significant impact on the pipelines, delivery, shipping, and all the above. And so I think that's having a definite impact on the pricing structure, coupled with the fact that we're seeing these weather patterns throughout the U.S. at much below average temperatures lingering for an extended period of time. Demand has increased dramatically here the last couple of days. So we're seeing inventory draws. And so I think that's another factor why we're seeing natural gas futures basically pushing to almost 4-month highs. And another dynamic here I want to point out is that when you look at the futures markets, we're seeing the back month futures actually trading a little bit higher here relative to where they have been trading over the last several months. What I mean by that, if you look at the May futures through the rest of the summer, we're actually seeing them taking out those November highs. So we're seeing them trading at multi-month highs when you look at the pricing structure. So I think, again, the fact that these inventories are being challenged here and drawn down in the near term, the pricing structure now appears to be pushing out into the summer now, as the potential for demand is definitely increased here and supply being challenged. So I think that's an interesting dynamic when you look at the futures markets. Also, WTI is benefiting as well for slightly different reasons, but nonetheless, certainly from a supply standpoint, short-term disruptions continue in the Permian Basin, and that's another factor, I think, why we're seeing WTI futures moving higher as well.